guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I have brought a new custom ROM for Redmi 5 Rosie. So let's check the specification of this ROM. You will get the Android version 11 in this ROM. And this is the Pixel Experience Rosie ROM. I will review only the gaming performance and other 3D benchmark, 3D mark test and other important safety net features only, and we will also check the face unlock and the fingerprint. And here you can see this is the latest build available, 5 June build. This ROM is for gaming also. I will test the PUBG and BGMI and Call of Duty, both of the games will be tested in this video. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So welcome back to Tech Custom. So first let's check the fingerprint and the face unlock. How fast is the fingerprint and the face unlock of this new updated ROM? Let me apply the pin, and vibration is working perfectly fine in while using the fingerprint. It was perfectly fine, and the speed of the fingerprint is also good. It takes lead to 1 second to open, 0.1 second to open your device, but else the fingerprint speed is just amazing. So don't worry, you will not feel any problem while using the security fingerprint and face unlock. Let's check the face unlock. Let me apply the face unlock first. So now I have successfully applied the face unlock. Let's check the face unlock speed also. How fast is the face unlock speed? Face unlock speed and the fingerprint speed, both of the security features are working perfectly fine. Speed is good, so don't worry, you will not face any problem while using fingerprint and the face unlock. And all the display, all the features I have already made the detailed information. You can check the video. And if I talk about the Volt is working, Geo is working, hotspot is working, everything is working perfectly fine. Camera is a camera application. Now let's check the Antutu benchmark 3D. What is the score? Here is the score, 86,233 score. And here is the CPU performance. Here the GPU performance is also good, defeated 1% of the user. And here is the memory data processing speed, US data processing, as you can see, and 1% increase in temperature, and the temperature and the battery performance is just amazing. So don't worry, you will not feel any problem. 40-degree temperature right now, as you can see. CPU 42.2, 49.9. So else it is, this ROM is good for daily usage also. If you want a ROM for daily usage, you can try this ROM. And let's check the safety net, whether it is default passed or not. As you can see, safety net is passed in this ROM, default passed. And let's check the 3D mark test also. And our Play Store is certified, so don't worry. And let's check the here's the result. Slingshot and Slingshot Extreme, we will also check that. Here is the 810. Here is the 71% more than Xiaomi Redmi 5, as you can see. So now let's have the extreme one also, 19% more than Redmi 5 other device. So as you can see, your score versus all device 13%. And the battery performance is good, so don't worry, no, you will not feel any problem. My device is 2 GB RAM, so that's why I will not able to test other test of 3D mark, and wildlife will not be tested. As you can see, minimum RAM is 3 GB required. Now let's check the Call of Duty, then we will check the BGMI, that is PUBG. So now let's check the gaming performance, Call of Duty performance of this ROM. I don't feel any problem while using it. For the first time it does not go back to the home screen. It was perfectly fine, and the performance is also good in this ROM, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. There is no lag or any other problem. Performance is good, so don't worry. Sometimes it lags when the enemies are near, when the more enemies are nearby, it lags. As you can see, it is not stable like Lineage OS, but it is good for daily usage. But for game right now it is lacking when the enemies are more and more enemies are nearby. It is no. So you can try it according to your use. I feel the lag. Now it is lagging after. In the starting it is not lagging, but right now it is lagging. So you can check it according to your use if you want to install this ROM for gaming or not. For gaming I recommend Lineage OS. That ROM is best one. So you must try it. So now let's check the BGMI PUBG performance. After playing Call of Duty for few minutes while not recording the video, the performance was very poor. It was just got stuck on the same. Performance in BGMI is good. You can use this ROM, but in Call of Duty performance is very poor. There is lot of lag or just got stuck on the main screen. As Call of Duty uses more graphics and PUBG don't use more graphics, so that's why there is difference.
Clear! Reloading! Dead!
I am using this. I am playing this game on the low graphics mode.
Target down!
Let me show you. Here is the setting. The graphics smooth, as you can see. Now I have switched to balanced. Now let's check. In PUBG performance is good, but not in Call of Duty performance is not good. If you are a Call of Duty performance, don't try this ROM. You can simply use this ROM for daily usage only, not for gaming,
Killing spree for the blue team!
not for Call of Duty. Else ROM is good for daily usage, so don't worry, you will not feel any problem. So if you like the video, press the like button and subscribe my channel for daily updates.